These are the areas that we're watching most closely for Friday as we're wrapping up the work week, more specifically into the evening hours. That dark red, southeastern parts of Nebraska and eastern parts of Kansas. That's where severe weather is unfortunately very likely as we're moving into the weekend. Future Track shows you this, the coverage growing through the afternoon, but then more so into the evening come Friday. This is 8 p.m. Central Time on Future Track. You see that coverage of rain and thunderstorms growing. Then as we head into the start of the weekend, that whole area of low pressure, you can see the swirl in Future Track. You've got the frontal system associated with that area of low pressure, and that could trigger more severe weather as we're getting the weekend started and perhaps even into the second half of the weekend. This is the area that we're watching for Saturday. Middle portions of the Mississippi River Valley, parts of the western Ohio River, western Kentucky, southern parts of Indiana, Illinois, Missouri, as well as northeastern parts of Arkansas, western parts of Tennessee. You need to be on alert through Saturday afternoon and into the evening. More severe weather, a possibility.
I'm Amy Freeze. Welcome to Fox Weather's YouTube page. We have more great videos on the way, so make sure to subscribe to stay updated on all things weather.